Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's our topic is irregular verb. Irregular verbs are those which not follow the spelling patterns. For example, we'll see here. For example, if root word is write, in past tense wrote, in present tense write, and in future tense shall write. If the root word is write plus to be, in past tense were writing, in present tense are writing, and in future tense will write. If the word is grow, in past tense grew, in present tense grows, in future tense will grow. If the word is teach, in past tense taught, in present tense teaches, in future tense will teach. If the word is teaches plus to be, in past tense were teaching, in present tense are teaching, and in future tense shall teach. If the word is think, in past tense thought, in present tense thinks, and in future tense will think. For further details, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
मज़ीद वीडियोज़ देखने के लिए FC स्कूल सरगोदा के नाम से मौजूद यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि अपलोड होने वाली हर वीडियो आपको टाइम पर मिल सके। शुक्रिया।